Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by matching essential prerequisites. Check Guardian levels, gear score, and elemental counters. First, assign a healer, tank, and primary DPS team. This balances survivability versus damage. Once done, open the training room menu and choose the mode that fits your goal, experience or skill testing, and set battle speed to 1x for manual tuning or 2x for steady runs. Make sure auto battle options reflect your skill use. This prevents wasted cooldowns and improves consistent gains. You now run the scenario, focusing on execution and adaptation. Observe enemy telegraphs for 2 to 3 rounds. Identifying attack windows lets you time stuns and shields. If a Guardian fails to use skills optimally, take control and chain debuffs into your DPS burst. This raises clear rates. Once a pattern is stable, tweak formation or AI behavior to automate strengths and substitute Guardians who underperform. This iterative approach reduces failures and increases efficiency across repeated runs. You complete the final steps by claiming loot and checking which drops advanced your progress. Prioritize gear upgrades and materials. If runs were slow, rerun with the refined setup, raise skill levels, or change relics to increase power. Make sure to test a single quick run after adjustments to confirm improvement. If things go wrong, inspect cooldown alignment, elemental resistances, and whether auto-skill toggles prevented key moves. Fixing one of those often resolves repeated failures and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.